According to the results of 10th June, 1,735 people tested positive for COVID-19 out of the 9,494 samples taken. The records also show that 15 people died on a single day. This spike in cases has overwhelmed both government and private hospitals, with scarcity of oxygen and space in the intensive care unit facilities.
Mulago opened their last floor the other day, and I'm sure it's almost full. Nambole is filling really fast, and you know, we have some few oxygen points there because most people go to hospital because they need oxygen.
Dr. Musenero, the presidential advisor on health and one of those championing the fight against COVID-19, says on average, for every 100 tests carried out, 20 of them turn positive, a trend she calls worrying.
Our reproductive number is very high now, in that one person is generating 10 to 15 new cases, instead of when one person generates only one case. So that means the cases grow so much, and we are reaching where COVID does its biggest havoc.
Also, the Ministry of Health is unable to do contact tracing because of resource limitations and unavailability of hospital resources.
We can't do contact tracing because there are too many people, and our goal shifts now to trying to save as many people as possible, and then trying to apply population level interventions, because now if I was to trace contacts, we are even leaving people at home care.
Aside from the many infections from the now closed schools, Musenero says they are now concerned about the rate of infections among those working in offices.
So people started going to bars, socializing, and because of that, secretly, but socializing unofficially, laughing, because that's the huge number. Now you see the deaths? The people who are dying, they are not very old people. They are corporate age, 25 to 45.
Lately, many herbal concoctions are being peddled on social media as a cure or preventive measure against the virus. Dr. Musenero has words of caution.
In terms of food, I want to repeat what I've been saying. Things like ginger, things like garlic, fruits, take them at the food rate. This whole business where people tell you mix pepper, mix lemon, mix this and boil and take, that's a caustic. It's caustic. You are going to harm your gut.
What about steaming?
They're exposing themselves to a lot of heat, and it's damaging their mucous membranes, because that steam does not reach where the virus is. The body has a system which does not allow hot things beyond a certain temperature.
Health Ministry statistics show that since March 2020, 60,250 people have tested positive for COVID-19, while 423 have succumbed to the virus. Herbert Ziwa, NTV Weekend Edition.